Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to delete any files or folders permanently in Mac computers. So without further delay, let's begin. So here I'm gonna show you three methods how you can do it. So the first method is just drag and drop the file or folder to the bin, and after that just open the bin and just select it and just right mouse click on it, and now you can see here delete immediately. Click on delete. Now it will get permanently delete. So this is the first method, and the second method is just select the respective file or folder, and now on the left top corner you can see here file option. Just click on it. Now just press and hold the option key on your computer keyboard. Now you will see here delete immediately option showing up. Just click on it. Now just click on delete. Now it will get permanently delete. And the third method is just select the respective file or folder, and on your computer keyboard just press option command and delete key. Now just click on this delete option. Now it will get permanently delete. So by using these cool tricks you can easily delete any files or folders permanently in Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.